So there's all these birds. I don't even know where they're coming from. We got him over there, Robert. Snapchatting. Look at all these birds.
Looks like a tornado, man.
It does.
Tornado birds.
Look at my friend, Griffin.
What's up, nigga?
Bro. Hey, Robert, this reminds me of that scary movie. The one with all them birds falling out the sky? Yeah, that one. Yeah. Oh, let's go. Hey, Dalen, we're going back here to record these birds. Dude, I wonder how their backyard is.
What if they like started attacking us?
What if they started shitting? Now, what if they started shitting everywhere?
That'd be funny.
Dang, boy, slow your roll.
The bird tornado.
Holy crap. Oh, that's where they go. Oh, God. They're all trying to get on that tree. Look at that.
Hey, man, walk into the tree, Michael.
Okay, let's go.
Hold on. Let's go to that tree.
Hold up. Okay, record me. Got it. Okay. I'm about to go up to the tree. All right. Stormtrooper.
You got this.
Let's go. Okay.
This.
Look at me.
Dang, Michael.
Yeah, get out of here.
Oh, no way.
Resident Evil. Oh, I feel like they're about to attack us.
I had to put that on Facebook, right, Mike?
It's going on YouTube.
Oh.
How do you record me? Got it.
Yeah.
That's one popular tree.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, look at that. Now they're all in the water.
You're going for the fish. Man, these things are fish hungry. Give me a rock. I want to throw it in the water so it happens all the time. How do they all let that fish go? No, because we're supposed to go fishing.
What is up with my